In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Google Assistant to Google Home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, Google Assistant is essentially the brain that powers your Google Home devices, so speakers, smart displays, etc. You don't actually need to connect Google Assistant to Google Home in the same way that you would connect a Bluetooth speaker, for example. Instead, Google Assistant is built into and activated through your Google Home devices. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Home device set up and working with Google Assistant. If you want to do a deep connection between both and add devices that aren't supported, then this process will be much different, and sadly, I cannot cover it in a video of this nature that's meant to be more short-term and quick. But if you have Google Home, if you want to add a device, open it up, tap on devices at the bottom, and then select add device. Now you will see three main categories: Matter enabled devices, Google Nest or partner device, and the option to add devices that work with Google Home. You can choose any of these. When you select one, you will see all of the brands or categories of devices that you can add. So in here, just look for a specific one that you would like to add. There are a lot on this list, so browse through all of them, and once you find something that you wish to add, you will get instructions on what to do. Usually, they will redirect you to another page where you will either be signing in with your account, or you will have to be in close proximity with that specific device to connect them down. So in this example here, they are asking me to sign in with my Plus Home account. And it's as simple as signing in with your account to connect the device. Follow the instructions on screen and they will be usable through Google Home in conjunction with Google Assistant. Like I said before, if you want to do a deep connection and add custom triggers, then this will be done elsewhere, and I cannot cover it on this video alone because it is a lengthier process. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Google Assistant to Google Home. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.